Hello, welcome to Module 6. In today's lesson we're going to talk about tools for finding loads and broker contacts, the loadboards. And in the next lesson we're going to look at a more advanced method of getting high-paying loads, which is building business relationships with brokers. Not knowing where to find loads is one of the biggest problems for most aspiring dispatchers. That doesn't relate to you, of course. After this module, you will have a full set of tools. Unfortunately, in many cases with Loadboards, you can't just go and get an account in your name. Those of you who already been associated with logistics and worked on the European or Asian markets know that getting a Loadboard account can be a pretty challenging task. Loadboard providers tend to check everything down to the smallest detail. Some make sure that each account is registered in the name of an individual employee who is officially listed in the company. Some check to make sure that IP addresses correspond with the registered company office location. Others will require a company to be in business for over a year or to have at least 5 references. In the US, they are a bit more lenient, but you still have to get creative in certain cases. First-time dispatchers who choose to learn on their own or who take other courses where this topic is not addressed at all, text me on Facebook and Instagram every day and ask the same questions. How do you find brokers? How do you get a Loadboard account? What Loadboard to choose and where to start? Now we'll shed some light on this problem and we'll look over a number of Loadboards that you should be using. Alright, so your first step, the first thing you're going to do is sign up for a couple of free Loadboards. The first one is Doft, so you can see the website here, doft.com. This Loadboard, they claim to have over 150,000 loads posted there every day, so it's quite a large Loadboard. You can just click try Doft Loadboard and let's see, so this one is completely free for you, $0 per month for unlimited search requests. They call it a freemium, so they say Doft Loadboard is a freemium, so you can open a free account and use it to search loads, use it to post trucks, or you can get a paid account and use some of the additional analysis tools that they offer. Just like on other Loadboards, you can check the average rates and the number of loads and trucks posted in a certain area. So you can pay for the account, but for normal load search and truck posting it's free. So you're just simply going to click join. Here, driver, find loads, so that's the one you're going to choose. I'm a driver because you're going to be looking for loads. They also have an app available, so you can use it on your computer. You can also use it on your phone in an application. So as you can see here, for registering, MC number is optional and also DOT number is optional, so you do not need to be a licensed carrier, you do not need to have an MC number or DOT number to register. That's the beauty of this Loadboard. It's free and it's very easy to sign up. Actually, you can even sign up as an individual. So in that case, you don't even need to list the company name. You're just going to list your first name, last name, cell phone, put your email, and sign up, and you'll have access to it immediately. I'm not even going to go into it. It's very simple. It looks exactly the same as any other Loadboard that I've showed you before. You can search for loads, you can post trucks, you'll get the broker contacts, phone numbers, etc. So get Doft Loadboard. Start, getting into the market, start checking the states and the areas, some broker contacts. Doft is going to be the easiest one, and I suggest for you to sign up for this Loadboard first. After Doft, you're going to go on 123 Loadboard, and let me actually go here to the main page. So that is going to be 123loadboard.com. You already saw this Loadboard in one of the presentations. I showed you some of the tools you can get with the account. We can actually go to pricing and see how much it costs. It starts at $35 with a standard package, and then you get a premium plus package for $55, which includes a bunch of the features that I showed you in the past, the mileage map and the credit scores and the load planner that can help you create route plans. Actually up to 3 users, so actually up to 3 people can use this board at the same time. So you get all of the analysis tools for just $55. That is a great offer. But what's beautiful about this Loadboard is that you have a 10-day trial. So you can sign up for a 10-day trial. You're not going to have to pay them. It's pretty simple. You need to sign up, input your information. Company name is optional. So once again, what's great about it is that you don't need to have a company registered in the US to sign up. You don't need to be a licensed carrier either. And then you're going to go into activate trial. They will ask you to input your credit card information. So if you don't want to pay, make sure that you go back to this website and cancel the Loadboard subscription before the 10-day trial ends. Otherwise, they're going to charge you automatically. So if you don't want that to happen, put an alarm or put a reminder. And another little trick is when you go and cancel this 10-day trial, they're actually going to ask you to stay, and they're going to give you more free days. So at the moment, you can actually use this Loadboard for free for a month. This is at the moment when I'm recording this video. It might change. Maybe they'll change their offer in the future. But for now, go to 123 Loadboard, get a 10-day trial, get the most expensive package. So you get all the tools, you get all the analysis, the load planner, everything that's offered by this Loadboard. Use it to your maximum. And then when you go and cancel, you will actually get an offer to use this board for even longer.